So today I'm going to show you a simple way to make all of your photos on Facebook private. So let's jump in. So I just have Facebook open on my mobile device here, and you just want to go to the bottom right-hand corner and tap on the menu button. And then up in the top now, you just want to select your profile, which would be your picture there. Sort of in the middle of the screen, you'll see posts, photos, and videos. You want to click on photos. And then again, sort of in the middle of the screen, you see your tagged photos, your photos that you took, and then your albums. We want to click on albums. And this is where all of your photos are organized into your different albums. And all you want to do is pick one of your albums. Let's say I want to do Outer Banks 2014. All right, you open up that album. And then from there, up in the top right-hand corner, you see the three dots. You just want to tap on the three dots and click on Edit Album. And then here you can change the name or do different things like that. But there you see where it says Friends. What we want to do is click on that. And now you can make it so that only me. So it doesn't delete the photos, but now only I can see those photos. And then you click Done. And then you click Save. And now you can see right under where it says the title, it says only me with a little lock icon. That means this is totally private. Nobody on Facebook, whether they're my friends or friends of friends or find my account publicly, can see any of the photos in this album. It's totally hidden from them. I can still see it, so it doesn't delete anything. It's still accessible to me, but that is now deleted. And now I can just go through, repeat that step for each of the albums that I have my photos saved in. And then all of my photos that are already on Facebook will be private. And so depending on how many albums you have, may take a little bit of time, but just repeat those steps for all your albums and your photos are going to be totally private to anybody else on Facebook. Additionally, you can use this method to just create albums that are intended to be private only for you and store the photos that you want to keep private in there. So now that takes care of all the photos that you've uploaded, but now let's go in and change a setting so that any photos that other people have tagged you in are now also private. So we're back in the menu here. Now we want to scroll down to Settings and Privacy, and then we want to click on the first one, Settings, and then you want to scroll down till you see Profile and Tagging. Click on that. And this is where you want to change all of these, which are currently set on friends or whatever they're set to reflect how you want your privacy. So who can see your posts? So this is any posts, not just your photos. You could click on that little arrow and change that to only me. Who can see other posts on your profile? You could change that. But here's the one that we're looking for. Tagging and implied mentions. So who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile, which is text posts, but also photos. So you just want to click on that arrow and say, see all, and go to only me, click save. And then there's another one when you're tagged in a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can't already see it? And we want to click that to only me and go save. And now any photos that you have been tagged in or are tagged in the future will now also be private only to you. And with that, all of your photos on Facebook are now private. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you in the next one.